Okay, Joe, little before and after from our session today, mate. So what we said was we're getting up to the top, right? We're just way too much pressure on the left foot, right? 96.4. So one of the things we worked on was getting up to the top here, and when the pressure thing kicks in, yeah, there you go. So just right about there, look. So same position, but what you've managed to do is you've now managed to get 64% of the pressure underneath your left foot, as opposed to 4% of the pressure, right? So that's the first part. Now, obviously, your hips moving forward a little bit, right? The centre of your hips moving forward a little bit, getting the mass more over your left foot is going to contribute to that. But just having the bias a little bit more on the left foot at the top is the first part, right? The next part is trying to get, once we've settled on the left foot, then we're going to try and push down into the left foot to start the downswing. And what we're going to do simultaneously is try and get this right elbow and this right arm behind or underneath the left one. So you can see, I can still see a little bit of your right arm there. When you look at someone like Sean O'Hara, or most of them, to be honest, right? You get up to the top, from P4 to P5, you can see how that right elbow and this right arm here disappears behind their left one. So it looks like from there, it just looks as though he's got one arm coming down, right? He's got one arm. Whereas you coming down, I can always see, this is your old swing, but I can always see that right arm on top of your left one. That just makes the shaft plane coming down just a little bit too steep, right? So that was your next part. You've got to simultaneously push down in the left foot and get this right elbow tucking down more underneath your right arm, so we can get one. It looks like you got one arm coming down from P4 to P5, right? But the point is, you push down much better there, down into P5. Now, as you come down, if you've pushed down and you've squatted, the next part, if you've pushed into the ground's going to push back up, just like a trampoline, right? You push down, you're going to push back up. So then after that, after you've pushed down, this left leg's going to start to straighten. There you go. That's much better. Now you look how when you come down, even though you do push down a little bit, right, in that left foot, that left leg, you keep that left knee very bent all the way through. You see how that left knee stays bent? So the idea is to squat to start the downswing, push down, and then once you've squatted, right, then you're going to straighten up. There you go. Much better. So if we look at Sean O'Hara again, squat, right elbow tucks behind the left one to shallow the plane out, right, to get that shaft angle flatter coming down, if you like, not so steep. And if he's pushed down, he gets the squat, right, and if he's pushed down, then the ground pushes back up. Now his leg's going to straighten through impact, post impact, and then it's just like this left leg's a post and you're just pivoting around that post. Your post is too bent. Good, mate.